to the module. Then there's the smaller end gets plugged in to the back of the screen, and this big connection gets plugged in at the back of the head unit, which we showed you earlier. And there's also a video cable which we're going to connect at the back of the screen. To continue with the installation, now we have to remove this panel on the side of the center console from the passenger side. So you can use your fingers or you can use your panel removal tool. You usually start from the middle, work your way all the way to the front, and then it comes out. This is the last clip that you have to undo before you remove the whole thing. Here you're gonna peel back the carpet and remove this piece of foam, because we're gonna be hiding our module right here once we do all the connections. So now we're gonna take our harness, and as we showed you earlier, it has small end and a big end. We'll take the small end, and we'll take our video cable. Two things we have to get behind our screen, and to do that there's an opening here which we will feed our cables through. So we have one, then this is the second one. And if you look right here, you're gonna see a hole. This is the hole that we use to feed these two wires through. Now you can take your screen, and we're gonna do two connections here. So as you see, this blue wire, we're just gonna disconnect. So this will disable your original navigation. And now we'll plug in our cable instead. And over here, we will disconnect this original connection and plug in our harness here. And the other end of the original harness, we will plug in into the female end from our harness. And at this point, you can just put the screen back. So this is the big end of our harness, and this one we have to get to the head unit, which we showed you in the beginning of the video. So this wire will go along here. You just have to put it in nicely, and then we will stretch it and bring this cable all the way back to the head unit. At the back of the head unit, you will take the original connection, you will press on the clip and disconnect it, and you can plug it in to the female end of our harness, and then the male harness will plug in instead of the original one. And then you can just tuck the wire here, and that's done. So now we're going to